Smoke alarms in rental properties. What happens when your smoke alarm in your rental property goes off during the night or during the day? My name is Rob Mills from Elaine Mills Property Management. All rental properties, when we put tenants in them, have their smoke alarms checked and tested before the tenant moves in. Now, what a tenant needs to be able to understand is how to take down the smoke alarm. Just belting it with a broom doesn't help. So we need to understand the different types of smoke alarms there are and how you can disconnect them if an alarm goes off at some unorthodox hour. So I've got 4 different detectors here. Three of them are hardwired, but they can all be taken down without damaging them. This first one here is a battery detector, and basically you just twist it and then take off the back, and then the smoke alarm is disabled. So put it back up, the 2 little clips and that go in the side, and just twist it. That makes it alarm. And then just to take it down, you just twist it anti-clockwise and take it out. So that's just a straight battery, and they have a 10-year lithium battery in it. This is a slightly older type, but it is photoelectric and they are still new. This one here is you actually press the little button in the side and opens up. Now they have a replaceable battery in them, and they should be changed every 12 months by the tenant. And if you need to, once you've taken them down like that, or take out the battery, that'll stop the alarm. And then just clip it back up. The next type here is a Lifesaver type, which is fairly common in our rental properties. They're my preferred choice, which is just a matter of, it's there and it's just a matter of sliding it out and you can take it down. Most of these don't have a replaceable battery in them, so you just take them down and that should disconnect them as well. To put them back up, then you just have to slide them back in and they slide back in. This one here, which is the Brooks type, is a bit harder to operate. You need to have something like a key or a screwdriver, and actually, because the detector's up that way, is put in there, pressing the button, put the screwdriver in there and force that down a little bit. And then that'll slide out. This one doesn't have a battery in, but some of them have replaceable batteries in them as well. So that's the 4 different types of detectors. It's most important, if you do take them down, that you don't damage them or cut the wires in them or whatever, because there's no chance of being able to get warranty on them if they've been damaged, and we can't clean them and fix them. One of the main reasons why smoke detectors go off and at night, etc., is especially these hardwired ones. They have little lights in them which can shine, which sometimes attracts insects as well. So what you have to make sure is that you keep any cobwebs and clean around it. So you probably need to clean it once a month, just to make sure that you don't get any build-up of cobwebs or insects in them as well. Putting the vacuum cleaner up there, getting rid of all that insect residue, and that will help to keep the detector clean and reduce the risk of getting false alarms. In your property condition report, you would have got a page showing you how to maintain these smoke alarms. So it's most important that you read those instructions and follow them, and regularly test your smoke alarm. If there's a fault, report it as soon as possible to us using our maintenance app or ringing the office, so that we can come out and check it out and replace it if it's required. So in summary, You need to make sure you keep the smoke alarms clean, removed of insects. You need to test them monthly and then report any issues or maintenance via the maintenance app or ring our office. And just remember that smoke alarms do save lives. So keep it in good condition and look after it. Rob Mills from Elaine Mills Property Management. Thank you.